Getting into everyday carry doesn't mean filling your pockets with random gear. It means carrying the right tools that make everyday life easier, more organized, and more prepared. In this video, we're putting together a realistic EDC starter guide for beginners and breaking down what every man should actually carry for daily use. From practical essentials like multi-tools and compact flashlights to smart organization and backup power, these are items chosen for real-world utility, not hype. Whether you're building your first EDC setup or upgrading what you already carry, this list will help you create a functional loadout that fits your lifestyle. Number 1. Dawn breaks over a half-finished deck. Tools scattered in silence. One loose screw, one stubborn package, one ticking weekend deadline. He reaches into his pocket, calm and ready. The Wingman opens smoothly with one hand, instantly reassuring. Spring-action pliers grip tight, turning frustration into control. A sharp blade slices cleanly through rope, packaging, and doubt. Scissors trim the last stubborn thread with effortless precision. Screwdrivers, wire cutters, and a stripper stand ready. 14 tools unfold, each one answering a different challenge. At the campsite, a bottle opens. Then the firewood splits. Compact and lightweight, it rides quietly on his pocket. The removable clip keeps it always within reach. Built from stainless steel, it feels solid in every hand. Backed by a 2-5-year warranty, it's made to last. Leatherman Wingman, the tool for home, job, and outdoors. Number 2. Meet the CRKT CEO. Slim, stylish, and always ready. First reason? Discreet everyday carry without bulking your pocket. Its ultra-slim profile disappears easily under your jeans. Second reason? AUS 8-blade delivers dependable cutting power. Plain edge design stays sharp and handles clean slicing. From boxes to cords, it tackles daily tasks smoothly. Third reason? Reversible clip makes carry truly effortless. Left side or right side, it adapts instantly. Glass-reinforced nylon handle feels lightweight, tough, and secure. The liner lock adds confidence during quick use. Outdoor fans will love its practical, no-nonsense performance. EDC users get function, comfort, and discreet style. Collectors appreciate the clean design and trusted CRKT build. If you want a knife that works hard, choose this. Tap now, grab yours, and upgrade your carry today. Number 3. The campsite went dark, and panic hit instantly. My hands searched wildly, finding only cold emptiness. The trail vanished. Every shadow felt dangerously alive. I thought the night had defeated us completely. Then, a tiny glimmer appeared on my keychain. I almost laughed. How could something so small help? But I clicked it on, expecting disappointment. Instead, a sharp 9-0 lumen beam exploded outward. The darkness retreated like it had been exposed. Paths, gear, and hands suddenly became crystal clear. It wasn't a bulky tool. It was rescue. The OLIGHT i3E EOS changed everything instantly. Ultra compact, it disappears into any pocket or keychain. AAA powered, it's always ready when emergencies strike. Its PMMA TIR lens delivers clean, focused light. No fumbling, no struggle, no wasted seconds. Just dependable brightness for close-range night tasks. Opening tents became effortless. Checking maps felt calm and controlled. Finding dropped items stopped being a disaster. Camp chores turned surprisingly simple. Even daily EDC use felt dramatically upgraded. This is the light you forget until you need it. Then it becomes the hero of the night. Compact, reliable, brilliantly practical. Perfect for campers, outdoor lovers, and EDC fans. If you hate being trapped by darkness, choose this. Carry the OLIGHT i3E EOS everywhere. Let one tiny flashlight save your entire night. Tap now and make darkness impossible. Number 4. Rain streaks the airport window as departure boards glow. My laptop blinks red, and the deadline feels far away. A traveler nearby smiles, holding a sleek black power bank. Anker 737 appears like a quiet rescue in the rush. Its smart display reveals power, time, and charging status instantly. I plug in my MacBook, phone, and earbuds together. 3 ports, 1 compact device, no frantic hunting for outlets. The 140W max output wakes my laptop in moments. Screens brighten, notifications return, and the workday continues. Its 24,000 mAh feels like carrying a hidden reserve. Enough energy for flights, meetings, lectures, and long layovers. At the gate, my presentation loads without hesitation. A student beside me watches, charging a tablet confidently. For travelers, professionals, and students, timing is everything. This charger turns uncertainty into calm, steady momentum. No guessing. The smart display keeps every percentage visible. No compromise. Powerful charging supports multiple devices at once. No slowdown. My phone and laptop recover fast, together. Even my Vision Pro stays ready for the next session. Samsung and iPhone users get seamless, dependable performance. Back in the terminal, my battery anxiety disappears completely. The journey feels lighter when power is always within reach. Work continues on the plane, in cafes, and everywhere. The Anker 737 stays cool, capable, and confidently efficient. It's more than a charger, it's portable peace of mind. A small device that protects big plans from interruption. When your day demands more, bring more power. Choose the charger built for movement, pressure, and ambition. Anker 737 Power Bank keeps every essential device ready. Charge smarter. Travel farther. Work longer with Anker. Number 5. Comparing wallets? Here's why this one stands out. Most bulky wallets overload pockets and ruin clean everyday carry. Traditional leather wallets feel classic, but often get thick fast. They stretch over time, then cards become harder to find. This ultra-slim aluminum wallet changes that experience completely. It keeps your essentials compact, organized, and easy to grab. The gradient gray finish looks modern, subtle, and masculine. Compared with fabric wallets, aluminum offers stronger structure and durability. Compared with soft wallets, it resists bending and wear. That means better shape retention for daily use. Its minimalist design fits men who prefer clean pockets. It's also ideal for travelers needing fast access. The RFID blocking layer adds an important security advantage. It helps protect card data from unwanted scanning attempts. Many ordinary wallets offer no such protection at all. This wallet holds up to 15 cards efficiently. That capacity beats many slim wallets with limited storage. Use the Clear ID slot for quick verification. Use the cash clip to secure folded bills neatly. Unlike crowded bifolds, everything stays visible and accessible. No digging through layers just to find one card. No bulky shape pressing against your leg either. For men choosing between style and function, this balances both. For minimalists, it removes unnecessary bulk without sacrificing utility. For travelers, it supports security, speed, and convenience. The tactical look adds a sleek, practical edge. The slim profile makes every carry feel lighter. If you want a smarter wallet upgrade, start here. Choose compact protection, cleaner pockets, and better everyday organization. Order now and experience minimalist carry done right. Number 6. Need a pen that performs when ordinary pens fail? Meet the Fisher Space Pen Military Cap-O-Matic. Built for professionals, outdoor users, and serious pen enthusiasts. This pen is designed for reliability under pressure. Picture signing forms in the field, not just the office, or jotting notes during travel, weather, and movement. Its pressurized ink system keeps writing consistent. That means smooth ink flow, even in tough conditions. No skipping, no drying out, no unnecessary frustration. It writes upside down with impressive reliability. It also handles extreme temperatures with confidence. Cold mornings, hot environments, and rough use. The medium point delivers clean, controlled writing. Black ink gives your notes a sharp, professional look. The compact design makes everyday carry effortless. Slip it into a pocket, bag, or gear pouch. The pocket clip adds quick, secure access. You always have a dependable pen within reach. Cap-O-Matic operation keeps it simple and practical. Just click, write, and move on with confidence. This is a tool made for real-world utility. Not flashy, just exceptionally capable where it matters. From desk work to outdoor tasks, it adapts easily. That versatility upgrades your everyday writing experience. It feels dependable in the hand and durable in use. A pen like this earns trust through performance. Made in the USA, it reflects quality craftsmanship. Choose a pen that works as hard as you do. Upgrade your carry with proven Fisher Space Pen reliability. Get the military Cap-O-Matic and write without limits. Number 7. Ever fumble through noisy keys every time you leave home? Pocket bulges, jingles, and scratches can feel surprisingly frustrating. Finding the right key quickly should not waste time. That daily chaos makes simple routines feel unnecessarily messy. KeySmart Original changes that with a compact key organizer. It keeps your keys aligned, silent, and easy to carry. No more sharp edges poking through your pocket. No more clanking noises in your bag or car. Its minimalist design turns clutter into clean organization. You can hold up to 14 keys neatly. Everything stays stacked in one slim, streamlined profile. That means less bulk, less mess, and more control. The forged carbon fiber finish adds a sleek edge. It looks premium without feeling flashy or over-designed. Built for everyday carry, it fits real life. For minimalists, it removes unnecessary weight from your pocket. For EDC enthusiasts, it brings smart function and style. For organized users, it creates instant visual order. Opening your keys becomes smoother and more intentional. Your essentials feel easier to manage throughout the day. Searching for the right key becomes far less stressful. Carrying keys feels cleaner, quieter, and more refined. It also protects other items from scratches and clutter. Small upgrade, major difference in everyday convenience. This is the kind of tool you use daily. And once you switch, the old keychain feels outdated. Choose a smarter way to carry your essentials. Choose a compact organizer that matches your lifestyle. KeySmart Original makes everyday carry feel effortless. Clean pockets, quiet keys, and a more organized life. Number 8. Meet the EVERLIT 250 Piece Survival First Aid Kit. One pouch, and suddenly you look prepared for chaos. Designed by Army veterans and survivalists, not office dreamers. Weighing only 2 pounds, it packs serious emergency muscle. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife's louder cousin. Inside, you'll find 250 essentials for first aid and survival. Enough gear to handle surprises without panic shopping. It exceeds OSHA guidelines, because being underprepared is boring. Perfect for families, campers, preppers, and weekend explorers. Camping trip? Hiking trail? Car trouble? It stays ready. The Molly pouch is built from tough 1000D nylon, water-resistant, rugged, and less fragile than your last phone case. 3 large compartments keep everything organized and accessible. No more digging like you're searching couch cushions. It attaches to backpacks, vests, and vehicle Molly panels, so your supplies travel where the adventure goes. The compact size measures just 8 by 6.5 by 5 inches. Small enough to carry, big enough to matter. Survival tools come loaded for real-world emergencies. Mylar blanket, flashlight, paracord bracelet, flint, and knife included. Also packed, saber card, glow sticks, and rain poncho. Basically, it is the camping version of superhero backup. Need medical support fast? This kit delivers under pressure. Great for wounds, trauma care, and outdoor mishaps. From Boy Scouts to backcountry warriors, it fits the mission. Also ideal for home, office, boat, and vehicle emergencies. Because emergencies do not schedule appointments, this kit keeps essentials in one place, ready anytime. Compact, complete, and confidently built for unexpected moments. EVERLIT turns preparedness from wishful thinking into real action. If you camp, prep, or explore, this belongs with you. Number 9. Morning Light. A black notebook waits beside your coffee. Before the day begins, ideas quietly ask to be remembered. Field Notes pitch black turns fleeting thoughts into lasting notes. Its pocket size slips easily into your life. 2 notebooks mean one for work, one for dreams. The deep black cover feels calm, confident, and timeless. Open it, and the bright white pages welcome every word. Smooth 90 GSM paper makes writing feel effortless. Pens glide softly, whether you're planning, sketching, or journaling. Dot grid pages keep thoughts organized without limiting creativity. Some days call for lists, others for midnight reflections. This notebook understands both the practical and the personal. It's made for students capturing lessons before they fade. It's made for professionals tracking meetings, goals, and bright ideas. It's made for journaling enthusiasts chasing honest moments on paper. The rugged cover stands up to daily pockets and backpacks. Flat lay binding keeps the page open when inspiration arrives. Every staple, corner, and sheet feels thoughtfully crafted. You can feel the quality in every turn of the page. Made in the USA, with pride in every detail. From the first note to the last, it stays reliable. It's the kind of notebook you reach for again and again. Small enough to carry, strong enough to keep up. Minimal on the outside, rich with possibility inside. For work, study, or quiet personal moments, it fits beautifully. Let your ideas have a place worth returning to. Let every page hold a little more of your story. Field notes, pitch black. Made for the notes that matter. Carry 2. Write freely. Keep what inspires you close. Choose the notebook that feels like a trusted companion. Number 10. Midnight. My backpack vanished into a blackout of panic. I reached for light nothing. Only cold, mocking darkness. My phone flashlight failed again, weak and embarrassingly slow. Then came the sound of footsteps. Too close. I froze, searching blindly for anything at all. My fingers found a tiny keychain hanging by fate. At first, it looked like a toy, not salvation. A silver flash. A compact body. One desperate press. Boom! 180 lumens exploded through the night like thunder. The darkness split open, defeated in a single instant. It wasn't a toy. It was the OLIGHT 11R 2 Pro EOS. Slim enough for keys, powerful enough for real emergencies. Its built-in rechargeable battery changed everything for me. No more hunting for disposable batteries at midnight. Just plug in the Type-C cable and recharge fast. Simple, clean, ready whenever danger or dinner shows up. The lightweight design vanished in my pocket instantly. Yet in my hand, it felt shockingly dependable. For EDC, it became my smallest but fiercest companion. For camping, it turned lost paths into clear roads. For tools and home tasks, it exposed every hidden corner. No fumbling, no bulk, no excuses in the dark. Just grab it, click it, and command the night. The silver flow finish adds style to brutal practicality. Small? Absolutely. Weak? Not even close. This is the flashlight that saves your plans. The flashlight that rescues your keys, your bag, your night. If you carry keys, you need this power. Get the OLIGHT i1R 2 Pro EOS now. Tap buy and let darkness lose for once. That wraps up our realistic EDC starter guide and the essential gear every beginner should consider carrying every day. The goal isn't to carry more, it's to carry smarter, with tools that add convenience, preparedness, and everyday value. Start simple, figure out what you actually use, and build your setup over time. If you enjoyed this countdown and found a few ideas for your own pocket carry, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more EDC guides, gear reviews, and practical everyday carry inspiration.